Hey future scientists, today we're going to make a snake rise from sand. Kind of like that, but not really. First, a few safety tips. Tie back long hair and keep a fire extinguisher nearby. Light the sand on a fireproof base. I chose to use a cookie sheet, and do this outside or in a well-ventilated area. Never ever leave the flame unattended. With that said, let's get straight into it. You've just watched a combustion reaction. Combustion is the process of burning matter. When the baking soda burns, it breaks down or decomposes to make carbon dioxide gas. When the sugar breaks down, it produces black carbon and vapor. Both the carbon dioxide gas and the water vapor get trapped in the black carbon, and that pushes the black tube up and out. And that, my friends, is science.